Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're messing with this pretty little synthetic wig from, I think this is from Entree. Her paper is somewhere, but yeah, I believe this is an Entree wig, and it's really pretty red. I think her name is LaShawn, but I'll put like it in the description. But yes, she's really pretty. Straight. I don't know, I'm gonna keep her straight because I've been wearing like a lot of like straight hair lately. Well, not really, but it feels like my longer units seem to be straight. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk in this video. I'm just gonna install obviously, and then I'll probably pop back in with like the final look and talk a little bit about how I was working with the wig. But yeah, let's get into it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else will do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. second nature here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I just wanna get away. and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep, then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for the flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream, forever breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
Okay, hi guys, this is the final product of the wig. Is she giving? She's very much eating right now. Okay, yeah, it's great. Only thing I wish it was a little more dense at the top, like there's like a little, not as dense as I would like it as far as covering the wefts of the track, but other than that it's really good. I'm trying to get closer, hopefully my camera doesn't die, but yeah, she's cute. I love this color. They come in so many colors. They have green, purple, yellow, literally like any color you can think of, they have it. But of course I'm gonna link it in the description. But yeah, the tangling is not too bad. Again, she's synthetic, so you get what you get. But the hairline though, tap in. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go ahead and like this video and comment what color you think I should do next. I think I'm gonna do yellow. Like I feel like I should just go all the way. Let's just try it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you tune back into my next video, and again, don't forget to comment.